Even
Mm.
though you are working, if you're 9 to 5 worker, this business you can run on the go. ठीक?
Yeah.
How you can do that? When you are on your lunch break, you have your smartphone with you. Initially you need to build the business, and it will roughly take you 2 weeks to build the business, while you are building your website, you are doing your domain and everything. When it's all done, rest is very easy. You can do on the go. You're on coffee break, you can answer your few leads. You are on your lunch
Yeah.
break, you can create content about the business related things. So this business doesn't need continuously sitting and giving time. You can do it on the go. It's very simple and easy.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sister, for explaining.
Yes. So, Sister Hina, nice to hear about the journey and your motivation that you took your first step, and how you handle everything with your child. It was really amazing to hear all that. So I'm having a question to ask to you. Okay, so starting out is never easy. Every journey comes with its own challenges. Can you take us back to those early days and share some little more, like common obstacles you face, and how did you manage to overcome them?
Yes, of course. Thank you so much, first of all, appreciating me and my journey. Yes, when I started the business, because I have zero knowledge and experience about the business, as I mentioned, I was a former social worker. I was a job kind of person. You go early in the morning, you come back late in the evening, have your dinner, and go to bed, and again same routine every day. When I was exploring, I never ever thought about a business. I was searching for, as I said, I was searching for a job, online job, but it wasn't offering the time flexibility. When I initially started the business, my first concern was I don't know how do it work for me, because I know the system is legit. I know people are earning from that, but I have the doubt on myself. Can I manage all that? Can I be present on social media? Can I share information fluently like these mothers are already doing the business are doing that? So when you started the business, you are overwhelmed with the information. But I will advise all the people who are joining the business or who are interested to join the business, take it slowly and peacefully. Don't rush in the training side. Slowly you will learn, and take the very baby step initially. Slowly you will build the business. Roughly it will take you 2 weeks to build your website and domain and everything. When it's all built, then slowly learn how to create the content. Because if you rush with the things, you feel overwhelmed, you feel tired, you feel exhausted, and you will self doubt on your thing. You may be thinking of quitting that platform, because there are so many things around you, but you are the one who can peacefully think and choose and pick which is the first thing you have to do, which is the most important thing you have to do in the business. So don't take the pressure. Don't take the pressure of the society, what people will think, what people will say about you, uh, about the judgment fact. Because when I started the business, I was thinking how I'm gonna go on social media, how I'm gonna present myself. Now, because I'm so used to with that, I'm not camera shy person.
That's
Initially you have doubts, you have fears. You will think, oh, my family friends will judge me, they will see me on social media, they will think, oh, look what she's doing. But the thing is, they are not gonna pay for our finances. We have to manage that. And
that's
we are
true.
not doing anything bad. We are educating people, guiding them, empowering them, motivating them to build their future alongside us. So I think it's a noble thing to do. Teaching is a very noble task. If you teach someone, I think it's a very noble task. Whatever we are doing, we are just helping others to empower them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's absolutely correct. And when we all come with the same fear, facing the camera, shy, and of course, the people, our friends, what they think. So these all are, some common things everybody faces. But it was nice to hear from you, and it inspires a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Almas.